What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Rome, back with another video. Today got a little special treat, unboxing video of my assault bike. It's been long overdue. I've had this thing sitting here for just a little bit over a week, but now it's time to make this video and get to the unboxing. Before we get started, I just want to give a big special shout out to Assault Fitness for sending over the assault bike. I'm excited, so thank you. I've had experience on different, Airdyne bikes, and I tried different ones, and I always go back to assault bike because it gets the best out of me each and every time. So I'm thankful to have a high quality piece of equipment in my home gym. So thank you, Assault Fitness, and back to the video. Alright, so we got everything in the box. Here's the main portion, the fan assembly, or the main portion of the bike assembly. Also, we have more parts right here, the instruction guide, and then we have pieces over here that we have to put in. Shout out for Assault Fitness for developing this tool. I know for a fact the other Airdyne bike that I got off of Amazon did not have this tool, which is a key for the pedals and then other places on the bike, especially the Phillips head attachment that I had to do. But the bike is all set up, just gotta finish the seat, but the screen's all set up and we're almost there. Finally done. Wow, look at that, looking amazing. Look at the bike, looking amazing inside the home gym. As you can see, got a nice little setup here. So gotta finish the gym up. The bike is done. Now it's time to finish up this wall. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. The home gym will be completed today with some paint. Be on the lookout for a home gym tour video, and then also I'm going to do a comparison video of the assault bike versus the Airdyne that I got off of Amazon. So also be on the lookout for that. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button. If you have any comments, please comment below. I'm just here to help. Thank you guys again for watching this video. Take care.